Yeah. My whole life I've been traveling the distance to places I know there's no love. I don't trust all these faces, the friends that the fake. I won't fall for a smile, cause they try to destroy, but that's just for a while. What I did to everybody to invest all my trust. The bond that we had, man, is gone like a dust. Because now I told us that they jealous, they turn their backs, man, I thought them my fellas. Knew what to missing, after that they provoked me. My name is too big and these girls they propose me. I gave all my heart, cause they told me they love me. Of course, them timbali, but they broke, so they dumped me. Because I'm spine and I dropped out of school. No metric, no CV, so they treat me like a fool. She's top, she's pretty, but still she's a liar. I see to control, try to blow up my tire. Everywhere I go, I can smell the enemy. Always many gun, I don't trust the family for sure. Now my shaka, but they're all full of danger. I still keep a distance, I picture a stranger. I know, go according to you, many wrong. I don't care what you think, what you say, many strong. I'm a man, I'm a soldier, I fight, I don't cry. I'm a stand still till the day I die. I came a long way.
I had my ups and downs on the way, but God has taught me how to be strong and stronger.